Welcome everybody, we're back. So we're at Porsche Autocross. Yeah, it's been a while, so kind of beginning of the season, so here we are. Some data from my RaceBox Mini. As you can see, max braking 1.42 Gs, acceleration 0.6, max cornering 1.53. I don't know how good this data is, but I think it's pretty darn good. Those race boxes are pretty accurate. So this gives you an idea what the car is capable of. Just need a better driver. Well, everybody, thanks for watching the autocross. As I said, it was quite interesting out there. A lot of very fast areas, hitting almost 80 miles an hour in a few of those spots. Car did all right. I think the tires are going away. The front tires are now going on 3 years old. They're getting pretty worn out. A lot of street miles, so I think they're kind of losing a little bit. The car's still a beast to drive. It's very hard to drive fast. I've driven a Porsche one time. It was a Cayman GTS, I think it was. So much easier to drive. Miata, so much easier to drive. These things are a handful. But thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you all later. Thanks.